Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a bird trap which is traditional and almost primitive way to catch birds in wild area. We're going to use olive tree bushes like that. We need 2 pieces of bush. The first one might be something like that, okay. We have one this and this small one. This is going to be a bridge. You will see how to use it. And as a bait, I'm going to use olives, as you see. But you can decide which bait to use according to your habitat that the birds feed on. You know, in this area we have olive trees, and that is why we are going to use olives that I found on the ground. Okay. Well, I have been looking for somewhere to set my trap for birds, and I guess this spot will be great for a bird trap, and I can hear the birds around there flying away. Okay, let's try this spot. Yeah, the birds probably come and feed here. Okay, I'm going to use this spot. This spot is great. Okay, hi again. Now I prepared my washes that I'm going to use for bird trap, the breech and the trigger, let's say. I sharpened both edges and one edge here, and I'm going to tie a line here, you will see. And I see now that birds were here, you see, poos around. They used to come here, and you see they feed here. I can see olive seed which was eaten by birds. It means that it's a perfect place to set my trap here. Okay. Here. Well, we're gonna set the bait here, so you had better clean the surface. It's going to come here. Okay, yeah, the bait will stay here. Okay, I'm going to show you how to use the line. You see, maybe 60 centimeters, and I put together the edge, and here's a natural loop, and I take the edge and tie them here first. Now, after tying the line to the trigger, I need another knot here, maybe 2 or 3 centimeters for the bait. Okay, I have another knot here, and it's almost ready. Now, what I need is a piece of tiny wood like that. Okay, and I place it into this loop, and now I take my bait. And be careful, okay, it might hit your face. And now I take the tiny piece, okay, below the breech, and I need to put a stone there to place my bait. It's very sensitive, so be careful, especially for your face, because it might, you see, it's very sensitive now. Now what I need is prepare the final. You see, I take the line like that, and I take it, and I have a big loop here, and I place it around my bait. But to place it safe and secure, I need tiny bushes like that. Okay, I'm going to be careful with my face. Okay, and I need another one like that. Okay, your bait should place within your bigger loop. Okay, and another one maybe here. Not so tight, just be sure that the line is around the bait. Now let's taste it. Okay, be careful with your head again. Okay, this is our bird. Okay, this is our bird, comes and sees our bait and trying to eat it. Okay, think like that, and oh my god. Ooh. And the bird goes to the Mars. Yeah, it's primitive, actually very easy to set up when you're out in wild. All you need is some pieces of bushes like that. Okay, you can use the natural baits on the ground that the birds eat. Of course, you can use it not only for birds, for squirrels, for maybe rats. Kinds of animals will be caught with this primitive and very effective trap. Follow me.